What is up, guys? How are y'all doing today? We are going to be playing Subway Surfer. See, now, I be getting about 16 views. Whoever views, please subscribe. The 16 views I be getting, please subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you haven't subscribed already, you could just get kicked off the channel and keep watching all my videos. If you don't watch all my videos, you ain't cool. You ain't cool. You don't live with the gaming circles. Okay? So today we're gonna be playing some Subway Surfer. I'm playing Switch, you already know. So I'm a kind of god at Subway Surfer. I got 22 keys. I'm good at Subway Surfer, okay? I'll try to prove that. I'll try. I'm good at Subway Surfer. So, I beat my high score before. I got a new one. I beat my high score before. No! That thing distracted me. I got 28 coins. That's so bad. I don't usually get this. I usually get like 100, 300. Sometimes I get 300 coins. Sometimes I get 400. Sometimes I barely get 600. I got 800 before. Comment down below what was your high score and how much coins did you get out of it? I know I got a lot. I got 1,000 coins out of my high score. I think 1,005. That was crazy, bro. After that, bro, I didn't get mad, but I died. I hope I don't waste this video. It's gonna be kind of a long video. Like you don't actually get paid from YouTube if you don't have an over 10-minute video. So yeah, I'm trying to get paid. I had this channel for not a long time. I had a channel for a long time. I'm already at 10 subscribers. So remember, if you're new, I'm trying to pass my cousin King Ronte in subscribers. 16 views I got on my video, guys. They didn't subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you're not cool. You're not cool at all. Like, you're not part of the gaming army. We're too lit that your eardrums will blow out your mouth. That's how lit we are. Like, we're so lit. Nobody's litter than us except King Ronte. The only way we can get litter than him is if we pass him in subscribers or keep singing or keep making rap videos. That's the only way we get litter than him. I'm telling you. I'm not even lying to y'all guys. I will not lie to my fans. Like, if you're a big fan, bro, you already know. Subscribe if you're new. Tell everybody about me. Not everybody after school, everybody you know. Just tell them about me and just search up Gaming Circle TV. If they don't know how to spell, if you know how to spell and they don't know how to spell, make sure you tell them how to spell, bro, because we be gaming all day and all night. Okay? And show them how to live Gaming Circle life. Okay? See, look at that. I'm Trixie right now, so let's change my character. I don't want to be Trixie no more. Trixie is kind of retarded. I'm not going to say nothing else. I'm just going to say retarded. Look, she's sagging and everything. Who wants to play as a saggy girl? Like, if one of y'all want to play as a saggy girl, what are y'all doing here? Like I'm telling you, I'd rather be the other girl instead of Trixie. Well, I like playing her. She's pretty cool. She's like a boy. I bet she wants to change genders. I'll get the H later. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Come on, I'm a god. What time is it? I don't know how long I have been recording. Let's just say 7 or 6 minutes I've been recording. Cause when time goes by pretty fast, guys. Right now for me it's 9. Right now for me it's 9:04. Yeah, 9:04. I forgot. Oh God, oh God. I do this everything on night. I'm gonna show you how I was getting super light. Okay, guys. If you wanna challenge me, bro, I'm up for the challenge. If you do, here's a score, 500. Okay, guys, I'm gonna beat one of y'all. One of y'all might beat me. That's okay with me. 500 coins you have to get, okay? And if you don't get the 500 coins, you could just, you don't have to get coins. You could just beat the high score, your high score. My high score is gotta be 11,000. I don't know. Only a high score should be 11,000. Okay, 261, not bad. There's 300 more to go. 300 more to go. Guys, I'm not tired. I'm just yawning. Oh, I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta use the bathroom. Okay, I'll be right back.